Hey boys and girls, I'm back for another Letterland lesson. We are going to do some quick dash. Okay, hold on a minute. Who is this? Annie Apple. What sound does Annie Apple make? Ah, good job. How about this one? Mr. A. And what sound? A. Okay, let's just do the sounds now. Sound. D. E. Mmm. Ah. T. W. Y. And Z. Good job. Okay, it's listen and think time again. Just try to think of a Letterlander who has no arms and no legs. He doesn't seem to have any ears either. Here are some more clues for you. He is long and skinny. He has a sweet smile, and he loves to sit in the sun. Who is it? It's Sammy Snake. Yes. Some snakes are scary and dangerous, but not Sammy Snake. He's a sweet, slender, sun-loving snake who slithers and slides along, hissing as he goes. Which direction is he sliding in? If you said the reading direction, you would be correct. Let's all point that way. Yes, good job. Okay, here is his plain letter side. That's how he looks. That's how he likes to be stroked. Always start at the top and work your way down his scales. Okay? So his action trick is like you're going to slither a snake. Okay? Good job. Say that with me. Good job. Let's listen to his song. Snake says inwards, his sing all the time. Sammy Snake says inwards, his sing all the time. You sing with us, you sing with us. Sammy Snake says inwards, you sing all the time. Snake says inwards, you sing all the time. Sammy Snake says inwards, you sing all the time. You sing with us, sing with us. Sammy Snake says inwards, you sing all the time. Good job. People who don't know the secret of lettering call this letter an S. We need to remember that. What's more important right now is that Sammy Snake sound. What do snakes do? They hiss. Let's hiss his loud whisper again, just like Sammy Snake. Sss, sss. Good job. Let's listen to his story. I'm going back and forth here. And we will learn that tomorrow. But right now, we need to learn Sammy Snake sound is S. Very good. Okay. Let's listen to Sammy Snake's handwriting song. Get your fingers ready. Sammy can see down to his tail. Move so carefully. Yeah, get your fingers ready. We're going to practice air writing. Very good. Okay, Sammy Snake, this is his lowercase letter. Let's look at his uppercase letter. When Sammy starts important words, like names at the beginning of a sentence, or like September, Saturday, or Sunday, he takes a deep breath and he gets bigger. So everybody will notice him. He says, now I'm a super-sized snake. So listen to his handwriting, his uppercase song. Good job. Now, boys and girls, tonight for homework, I want you to get a piece of paper and I want you to practice writing Sammy Snake's lowercase letter and his uppercase letter. Okay? Do it about 10 times, 10 lowercase and 10 uppercase. Snap a picture and upload it to Seesaw for your teachers to see. Okay. Bye, boys and girls, and I will be back tomorrow with another lesson. Bye.